Greetings and welcome back to my channel! It is I, Erin, and today I did the no brushes makeup challenge. And this is the final look. You guys should have already seen this. I'll link a card to it up there so you can go watch the original video. But I just figured I'd come back on and show you how I'm going to slightly adjust. Actually, I'm pretty happy with how it is, but I'm going to slightly adjust this for the makeup for the rest of the day for actually going out and things like that. Just because there's a few things that I am not able to do really without a makeup brush that I want. So I definitely want mascara, brows, I want to deepen up this contour, and I mean, that might be all of it. So it's going to be a real quick fix to go from this to what I'm looking for. So while you're watching this video, if you enjoy it, please hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe button. Join the darling army. You know you want to. It's a fabulous place. All right, yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and make this from average to phenomenal. To start, I think I'm just gonna do brows because I feel a little bit gross with my brows the way they are right now. So I'm gonna do a little Make Me Brow from Essence. And I'm just gonna brush them up. Easy. Y'all know I don't do like a full brow situation. It's just not, it's not my jam. It looks fine, it's just not my jam. Although I do want to get the Anastasia Brow Wiz because I had a sample of it and I was doing my brows with it and I love it. And then I ran out. Sad life. I really love how my eyes turned out. I'm kind of surprised. I'm kind of shook about it. So brows are on. Let's do a little mascara. No, let's do a little eyeliner. So I'm going to do the Milani Eye Tech Extreme. Is that any good? Nobody knows. Oh, this is the Apothic Rosé, in case you haven't seen the last video. But you already clicked and watched it, so I don't know why I'm telling you. Retractable eyeliner in black from NYX. And if you're really cool like me, you just stab yourself in the eye with it. Good. You know, I didn't even falter. Just like, yep, that's how it's gonna be. Cool. Done. Success. It's amazing what a little liner can do, huh? My face just went from like, oh, it's so cute, to like, BAM! She's a cunt! I don't know why I said that, but actually, cunt is one of my favorite naughty words. I think it's so empowering. You can call me a cunt any day of the week. Okay, next. I do a little something under the eyes now. Yes, I can. Just need a little flat shader brush from H&M. It's got a little flat end. And I'm using the one matte shade in here. I'm just gonna press it up here. I mean, Almay did that. It's not bad at all. Are we beautiful? Yes, we are. I need this inner corner highlight to be just everything and more. So let's take a teeny tiny brush and some more pearl from the highlight palette from the Mermaid highlight palette from Lime Crime. Let's just get in there. Let's do it. Yes, everything and more. Okay, let's see what else. I need a tiny pencil brush. Let me just take this Essence brush. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's like separating a little bit right there because there's no powder products to keep it in place. So I'm going to take a color that I think will match. It's right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Of course now I have to do it on both sides because it's so beautiful. And that right in that outer corner situation on the crease. I am actually keeping that in the crease because I don't want it to be too much. I want to keep the original eye look really going strong. Yeah. And then we'll take a little Y17 and blend the poop out of it. Oh, that just took this look from drab to fab, honey. Yes, it did. Oh, so this blend up top too. I mean, I think that means we need a little more highlighter up there, right? Can you ever have too much? Now we're just going crazy. This look was fine, and now we're just going nuts. Because we can. I love it. Okay. Last, I think. No, I'm gonna do a little contour. A little contour, as they say. Do I just want to bronze, actually? Yes. We're just gonna bronze. JK, no contour today. Just a bronze. Just a little bronze, bronze. This is the Makeup Revolution. The big bronzer in golden days. Of course. Duh. Oh, yes, bitch. That is just exactly what I needed. Thank you. That's everything I needed and more. Okay. Yes. Beach. That is, oh yes, there we go. There's the signature Erin contour bronzing moment. Okay, honey, that's beautiful. Let's do some mascara. We're gonna do the Shock mascara. So I'm always like thinking about merchandise that I can make because I'm so popular, you know? I feel like I should make yoga pants that say hold your butt on the butt part. As I always say that, hold your butts. Like, it started because of my dogs. Yeah, wow, I think that's everything. It started with my dogs, and I'd be like, hold your butts so they don't poop inside before we go out for a walk or whatever. And now I just say it all the time when I'm like telling people to wait. Just like, hold your butt. I don't know why. I'm crazy. I love this lip. Well, this look just went somewhere crazy. I'm gonna set again because I don't want to go nowhere. I like it. Cool. And yeah, I gotta go clean up my under eyes with some makeup remover and a Q-tip because I don't have any Q-tips here. What the hell? I don't know why. Yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, be part of the darling army. It's a lovely place. And what else? Yeah, you can totally follow me on all my social medias, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. That's all at I'm a Pluralist. And if you'd like to support me in my creative journey, you can always support me on Patreon. The links are down below. I upload every Tuesday and Thursday, and I'll see you next week. Bye!